Ready to be seen? It's time to go all in on video ads. Unlike static formats, video ads combine motion, sound, and storytelling, making them impossible to ignore. They don't just get seen, they get remembered, shared, and acted on. With two powerful formats, you're in control. In-stream ads grab undivided attention, appearing before the video content viewers came for. They ensure maximum visibility and strong engagement. Slider ads sneak in without disrupting the user experience. Wide reach, low disruption, and yes, they're ad blocker resistant. Together, they deliver unstoppable results, capturing full attention and scaling reach simultaneously. And creating them, easier than ever. With AI video tools, you can produce high-performing video ads in seconds. No camera, no crew, just instant results. Video ads are cost-effective, mobile-first, and resistant to ad blockers. For advertisers, that means higher return on investment and stronger brand recall. For publishers, they add an additional revenue stream that delivers strong returns. Adcash's video ads are built for today's attention economy. Take your advertising and monetization strategies to the next level. Visit adcash.com today and make video ads work for you.